Before a subterranean wonderland can rise, we must map out the cavernous void that will house our artificial mountain. The initial breach requires precision cutting to dissect 2 feet of reinforced industrial concrete. Heavy armor arrives on site, ready to hollow out the earth beneath the foundation. Clearing the old floor is a brutal, necessary step to expose the raw earth below.
Stubborn remnants of past infrastructure must be completely obliterated to ensure a blank canvas.
Hundreds of tons of debris are cleared around the clock, keeping the site primed for excavation.
The central excavation begins, plunging 20 feet into the bedrock to anchor the mountain's core.
Incredible hydraulic pressure drives the steel teeth deeper into the unforgiving earth.
Striking a shallow water table introduces a high-stakes race against flooding.
High-volume pumps fight back nature, discharging thousands of gallons of water per minute. To protect the crew from catastrophic cave-ins, heavy steel shoring reinforces the perimeter walls.
Every structural bolt is torqued to extreme tolerances to withstand the immense lateral pressure of the surrounding earth. Subterranean channels are carved out simultaneously to house the heavy mechanics of the future roller coaster. The excavation hits a literal wall as the crew strikes a massive, unyielding shelf of solid granite.
Heavy rotary drilling rigs are mobilized to chew through the dense stone barrier.
With immense downward force, the drill pulverizes the granite, inch by agonizing inch. Cleanliness ensures structural integrity as the deep shafts are readied for steel columns.
$1 million laser guidance systems verify that the excavation depth is accurate down to the millimeter.
Compacting the subgrade prevents any future shifting under the millions of pounds of steel that will follow.
A thick layer of crushed aggregate is laid down and compressed to form an unyielding subbase.
A continuous moisture barrier is rolled out to permanently protect the park's foundation from rising dampness.
Every seam is heat welded to create a completely impenetrable shield against subterranean moisture.
The deep prep work is complete, leaving a pristine, cavernous footprint ready to receive the mountain's bones. The raw materials arrive, signaling the transition from destructive excavation to constructive reinforcement. With the earth conquered, the stage is set to pour the most robust foundation this indoor park will ever see. The foundation phase begins with the creation of a dense, interlocking matrix of structural steel.
Thousands of intersection points must be bound tightly by hand to withstand the upcoming concrete deluge.
At the center, a dense vertical cage rises, designed to carry the immense weight of the volcano's peak. Custom bent steel ensures the foundation mimics the organic, flowing lines of a real volcanic caldera. Industrial steel formwork is erected to act as the rigid mold for our massive concrete pour. Applying release oil guarantees a clean separation once the concrete cures to maximum strength. A continuous convoy of cement mixers arrives, kicking off a non-stop, 24-hour monolithic pour. High-pressure concrete pumps are extended to deliver the heavy mix directly to the heart of the foundation. The pour begins, flooding the steel matrix with a specially formulated, high-strength concrete mix. Industrial vibrators consolidate the mix, eliminating any hidden air pockets that could compromise structural integrity. Hour after hour, the liquid stone fills the void, locking the steel skeleton into a permanent embrace. Automated laser screeds ensure the massive floor is perfectly flat to support the upcoming theme park rides.
The central volcano pillar is poured simultaneously, creating a single, unbroken, monolithic structure.
Every batch is rigorously tested to ensure it meets the strict engineering requirements for seismic resistance. As the primary pour concludes, millions of pounds of concrete begin the chemical process of curing. Controlling the heat of hydration prevents thermal cracking in the massive, thick concrete slab. Stripping the forms reveals a flawlessly cast, industrial-grade foundation ready for vertical construction. Independent lab validation confirms the foundation has exceeded its target load-bearing capacity. With the ground solidified, the first components of the massive steel superstructure arrive on site. Heavy rigging secures the massive columns that will form the spine of the entire indoor ecosystem.
The first vertical column is hoisted into place, marking the official beginning of the park's upward expansion. Precision alignment ensures that the towering structure remains perfectly plumb as it rises toward the roof. The primary structural ring is established, creating the unbreakable anchor point for the mountain's facade.
Lock-bolted to the bedrock, these connections ensure the ride structure can withstand the dynamic forces of a high-speed roller coaster. The foundation phase concludes, leaving a rock-solid, engineered landscape poised to support a towering geological illusion. The rise begins as the skeleton of the volcano shoots upward, utilizing a custom indoor tower crane to navigate the rafters. High-penetration structural welding fuses the steel lattice into a singular, indestructible framework. Layer by layer, the tiered rings expand outward, tracing the jagged silhouette of a natural tectonic peak.
Thousands of tons of steel are hoisted into the upper reaches of the warehouse, pushing the limits of indoor lifting.
The heart of the mountain is integrated with heavy roller coaster tracks, engineered to loop directly through the future magma chamber. Track alignment requires zero tolerance for error to guarantee the safety of riders moving at hyperspeeds.
A secondary skin of dense wire mesh is wrapped around the framework, creating the canvas for our artificial stone. Tens of thousands of fasteners lock the mesh skin down, preparing it to hold heavy layers of specialized concrete.
The mountain receives its first coat of structural shotcrete, sprayed at high velocity to form the rocky crust.
High-pressure application ensures the concrete impacts and bonds perfectly with the underlying steel matrix.
Before the concrete sets, artisan carvers sculpt the raw mud into hyper-realistic volcanic textures and jagged fault lines. Every crack and crevice is engineered to catch light and shadow, selling the illusion of a massive, ancient geological structure.
Prefabricated lightweight composite boulders are seamlessly integrated into the highest peaks to accelerate construction.
These high-density panels add incredible visual depth without overloading the upper structural steel.
Deep within the caldera, specialized effects infrastructure is installed to bring the volcano's molten heart to life.
Cryogenic piping and steam nozzles are plumbed into the peak to create hyper-realistic smoke plumes. The park's centerpiece ride mechanism is lowered into place, completely enclosed by the rising mountain walls. High-speed hydraulic actuators are calibrated to control the massive blast doors that shield the ride's secret drop. A massive, dedicated HVAC system is integrated into the roof to safely cycle thousands of cubic feet of air during show sequences. Negative pressure systems ensure that theatrical smoke remains contained within the attraction zone. The main structure stands fully formed, a colossal monument of steel and sculpted stone dominating the indoor skyline. The artistic transformation begins with a deep, volcanic charcoal primer that locks in the carved concrete. Multi-layered scenic painting coaxes out the rich, fiery tones of a living, breathing geothermal mountain. Painstaking detail work ensures the structure looks authentic, even from a few inches away.
As the scaffolding falls away, the magnificent, towering core of the theme park stands fully realized and ready for life.
The completion phase begins as the heavy construction equipment gives way to intricate world building. Authentic geomorphic materials are laid down to create an immersive, alien landscape for waiting guests. Lush, primeval flora is integrated into the mountain's base, simulating a microclimate fueled by volcanic soil. High-efficiency water filtration loops are finalized to manage the millions of gallons of water in the surrounding trenches. The water systems are activated, transforming the dry concrete channels into a shimmering, tropical water matrix. Masterfully engineered waterfalls begin their endless cycle, introducing dynamic movement and natural acoustics to the indoor space. Every square inch of the park is filled with rich narrative details, drawing visitors deeper into the volcanic mythos. The ride vehicles are mounted onto the rails, ready for their grueling operational stress tests.
Structural dynamics are validated as the coaster launches at maximum speed through the tight heart of the mountain. Advanced telemetry tracking confirms zero vibration issues, certifying the ride for continuous daily operation.
The park's digital brain is synchronized, linking lighting, audio, special effects, and ride safety systems into one network. The master show sequence is triggered, initiating the first full-scale simulated eruption. Deep within the core, the mountain begins to awaken, pulsing with a terrifying crimson luminescence. Superheated steam effects burst from the caldera, filling the upper atmosphere with dramatic, swirling plumes.
The grand illusion works flawlessly, delivering a heart-pounding spectacle of fire, water, and mechanical speed.
The final remnants of the construction era are swept away, leaving behind an immaculate, world-class entertainment venue. The heavy gates are readied for the thousands of eager adventurers about to cross the threshold. The beacon is lit, signaling the completion of one of the most complex indoor theme park structures ever built.
Hundreds of thousands of man-hours culminate in a triumphant victory of engineering and human imagination.
What once was a cold, abandoned industrial warehouse has been permanently transformed into a breathtaking, tropical paradise.
Visitors will hurtle through the jaws of danger, surrounded by hyper-realistic geological marvels.
Every angle tells a story of tectonic fury, crafted meticulously by human hands and heavy machinery. From deep excavation to the final artistic stroke, this engineering triumph stands as a testament to what an unforgettable journey awaits those brave enough to step inside the mountain's shadow. The Indoor Volcano Theme Park is officially complete, a masterclass in cinematic construction.